Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Lexus IS 250 versus the Toyota Mark X. Let's dive into what makes each of these sedans unique and help you decide which might be the better fit for your needs. We'll explore their performance, interior features, and overall driving experience to give you a comprehensive overview. Stay tuned for a detailed breakdown. When it comes to power, the Lexus IS 250 usually sports a 2.5-liter V6 engine, delivering a smooth, refined ride with about 204 horsepower. The Toyota Mark X, however, often provides a choice between a 2.5-liter or a more potent 3.5-liter V6. This larger engine in the Mark X can produce up to 318 horsepower, offering a more exhilarating driving experience for those seeking extra punch. Inside, the Lexus IS 250 truly shines with its focus on luxury, featuring premium materials and a sophisticated design that feels upscale. The Toyota Mark X, while still comfortable, leans more towards practicality, often providing a slightly more spacious cabin. Both sedans come equipped with a range of modern amenities, including intuitive infotainment systems and essential safety technologies, ensuring a pleasant and secure journey for occupants. Driving the Lexus IS 250 offers a refined and comfortable experience, perfect for daily commutes and longer trips. The Toyota Mark X, on the other hand, delivers a sportier, more engaging ride, especially with its more powerful engine options and rear-wheel drive layout. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize luxury and comfort or a more dynamic performance. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers and other deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.